Have you ever bought a part online and wondered if it would actually fit and somehow it just does? That's not luck, and it's not magic. It's engineering tolerance. The reason parts made in different factories, countries, and even decades apart can still fit together like puzzle pieces. And today, I'll show you how this tiny detail keeps the entire world running smoothly. Engineering tolerance refers to the allowed variation in the size or dimension of a manufactured part. Because it's impossible to produce components with absolutely perfect measurements, tolerances set the upper and lower limits that ensure each part still works properly within an assembly. These limits are specified on engineering drawings to guide both manufacturing and quality inspection. There are two main categories of tolerances that can be shown on an engineering drawing. Dimensional tolerance. This defines the allowable variation in the size of a feature, such as length, diameter, or angle, and can be expressed in several ways. Bilateral tolerance. The dimension can vary both above and below the nominal value. For example, a dimension of 50 plus or minus 0.15 millimeters allows the part to be anywhere between 49.85 and 50.15 millimeters. Unilateral tolerance. The variation is allowed in only one direction. For example, this allows a part to be between 40.1 and 40 millimeters. And limit dimensions? Here the exact maximum and minimum sizes are specified directly. Second main category is geometric dimensioning and tolerancing. This is a universal system of symbols used to control a part's geometry, such as its form, orientation, and location. It ensures that features, such as holes or surfaces, are in the correct position relative to other features. Stay tuned for a full video explaining this in detail.